we have a really interesting conversation with Jerry, and it includes a live stream involved with direct questions from attendees. Also, it's really insightful.
And then also, I am the Simply Cyber, where many people may recognize me from, the chief content creator at Simply Cyber. I do have a PhD in cyber operations from Dakota State University, and then a couple masters, computer science, information assurance. But one of the underlying
really studied the topic yet.
Yeah, I might know a thing or two about it.
You really need to take a deeper dive into security.
Well, you know what, David? I'll tell you honestly, I tell people all the time, like the reason I love our field so much, like I have all this experience and all this education and stuff, and I still there's a million things I don't know how to do, right?
Isn't it true?
Exactly. And if there are real problems because of that, like Mark is down. That like we keep the blueprints on the file server, so now the manufacturing line goes down until we get it back up. And like, you know, Todd, who said, "Oh, we restore from backup." Okay, Todd, like, what's the process? Where are the backups? When was the last time you checked the backups? How do you know it's going to work?
Yeah, I was just going to say, and if you give it hit with Lockbit or back in the day with our evil, you're not going to be able to restore from backup, right? Because they're going to wipe the backup before they launch it.
Exactly. And let's just say you had some next gen solution that had like a immutable backup thing. So that's not the case. Okay, like here's what I want. Todd, be quiet. Junior analyst, how do you restore the backups? Because Todd's in Cancun right now. Tell me how you do it. Exactly. Oh, you don't know? You know, like you really, I mean, you don't need to be a senior practitioner to execute a tabletop exercise well, but you do need to plan it out. It's like it's so funny because I'm getting like wicked amped up about this, but I haven't really thought about how poorly they are executed and why they're so ineffective, but they're so important when done well.
They really are. And I think one of the things that made me so excited about getting to talk to you is when I saw that tabletop exercise. And